Hickory Dock.
Jukebox, you're late again. Oh, Mr. Jukebox, do you know where our troublemaker Doobop is? He is sleeping. Huh? He is finally running to the Monster Music Factory? Oh, he is coming in 10 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Doobie! Oh, Doobie, sorry I'm late. Oh, sorry.
Oh, Doobop, you're late again.
I know. I am a bad monster. I am sorry. I won't be late again. I promise. See? Look at this. Ta-da!
What's that?
It's my alarm clock. It will tell me what to do. Ha-ha! Huh?
What? What's wrong? What was that?
It's the alarm. Now, it's time to open the factory.
Oh, I see. It's kind of scary.
Now, Doobop will never be late.
Doobie! Doobop! Doobie! Doobop! Doobie Doobop! Doobop's Monster Music Factory! Doobie Doobop!
Doobie Doobop! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Now it's time for today's keyword. My alarm clock tells me to get the keyword from Mr. Jukebox.
Doobop, your alarm is too loud.
Oh, no way! That's how I remember.
I see.
Okay, now let's get to work. Doobie Doobop Monster Music Factory!
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡